Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is mod. What is mod? The mod is the value around which there is a greatest concentration is known as mod. Or in the simplest way, we can say in the individual data, the mod is the variate which occur most frequently in the series. I'll just explain this concept with the help of one question. Okay. Now see, if we have the series, individual series like 17, 19, 11, 23 and 19. First, what we will do, first we'll arrange it in an ascending order. So it is 11, 17, 19, then again 19 and then 23. So which number occurs maximum time in the series? So we can see here that 19 occurs twice in the series. So the mod is 19. Okay. Similarly, we'll take one more question. Like the question is 8, 10, 7, 6. We have this individual series. So first, what we'll do, we'll just arrange it in a ascending order. So 6 comes twice, then 7, then 8, then again we can see that 10 has occurred 3 times, then 11 and then 13. So we can see here which number exists maximum time in the series is 10. So our mod is 10. Similarly, we will take one more question in which we have given the weight of 15 students. Now this is a weight of 15 students is given and they said calculate the mean, median and mod. So we need to calculate the mean, then median and the mod. So mean, we can use any formula. The choice is yours. So first, xi will be the weight, that is 47, 50, 53, 56 and 60. Similarly, the frequencies are given 4, 3, 2, 2 and 4. So for finding out the mean, I am here using the direct method. Again, the choice is yours. Either you can use shortcut, step division. It's all up to you. Step division is not applicable over here because the gap between the classes is not same. The gap between the values of xi is not same. So I'm using here the direct method. So 47 into 4 is 188, then 150, then 106, then 112, and then 240. Now, as we know that the formula for calculating the mean is fi summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. So sum of the frequencies is 15. It's already given in the question. Now we will add rest of the values of fi xi also, and we will see we are getting 796 as the total. So now we will substitute the value. So 796 upon 15. So when we will divide, we will get 53.06. So this is our mean. Now similarly, for getting the median, first we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. So first cumulative frequency is 4. Next is 4 plus 3, that is 7. Then 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. 11 and then 15. Now 15 is the odd. The sum of the frequencies is odd. So we will use the formula for odd data. So that is median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So 15 plus 1 upon 2th observation is This is 16 upon 2, that is 8th observation. So we will check where the 8th observation is lying. So we can see the 8th observation will lie in the third row. So the value of xi here is 53. So median for this question is 53 because 8th observation lie in the third row, that is where the value of xi is 53. So median is 53. And mod, as I told you, we have to see the maximum highest frequency we have to see. So maximum frequency or highest frequency here is here in this, it comes twice. So 4 and 4 is the maximum frequency which exists twice in the series. So in this type of question, what we will do, we will use the empirical formula. So what is the empirical formula to calculate the mod is 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so 3 into the median is 53 and the mean is 2 into 53.06. We will substitute and now solve. We will see what we will get. It's 159 minus 106.12. So a mod is 52.88. So this is our answer of this question. Yes, now we will take one more example to understand the concept of mod. So the next question is, the following table gives the daily wages of the workers in a factory. So class intervals are the daily wages and number of workers are the frequencies. So the first part of the question is find mean. For finding out the mean, so first we will find out the values of xi. So that is 420 upon 2, that is 210. 220 plus 240, that is equals to 460. So divided by 2, it will give us 230. Similarly, we will find out all the values: 270, 290, 310, 330 and 350. So again, any method you can use. I am using here the direct method. So fi xi. So fi xi, we will multiply the values and then we will use the formula. First is 1050, 4600, 2500, 2700, then 2610, then 1860, then 3960, and the last is 2800. Now we will find out the sum of fi xi and summation of fi. So we add all the values. When we will add, we will get 22,080 and the sum of frequencies is 80. So we'll calculate the first part of the question, that is mean. So mean is equals to summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. So just substitute the values and do the calculation. Divide. So mean is 276. Now the first part answer is 276. Second is the model class. They have asked for the model class. So we will see the maximum highest frequency. Our highest frequency is 20. So which one is our model class? This one, 220 to 240. So the model class is 220 to 240, where the highest frequency exists. Now the next is third part, the number of workers getting daily wages below 300. So we can see here below 300, class interval shows the daily wages column. Okay, so below 300, how many class intervals are lying? As we know that this is a continuous series, 300 will be count in the 6 class intervals. So all the wages below 300 will lie in the first 6 class intervals. So we have to find out the number of workers. So we will add the first 6 frequencies. So that is 5 plus 20, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45, and 45 plus 9 is 54. So the number of workers which are getting daily wages below 300 is 54. Now come to the last part. The number of workers getting rupees through 260 or more but less than 340. So 260 and more, for that we will see our fourth class interval. 260 start from fourth class interval. So we will check our fourth class interval till seventh class interval, 260 till 340. So how many frequencies? We will add up those frequencies. So 10 plus 9 plus 6 plus 12 will give the number of workers getting rupees 260 or more but less than 340. So we have to add all these frequencies which are lying in these class intervals. So that is 37. So here the last part, fourth part answer is 37. Now children, we will find out the mod with the help of histogram, and this thing we will do it on the graph paper. So I'll just explain you with the help of the question. IQ of 50 students was recorded as follows. Draw a histogram and estimate the mod with the help of histogram. So they have given the IQ score and the number of students. So our class interval starting from 80 to 90, 90 to 100, up to 130 to 140. So first we will draw the histogram of this table. Now what we will do, on the x-axis we will draw the IQ score, and on y-axis we will draw the number of students. The maximum number of students are 16, so I have taken a gap of 2 2 on the y-axis, and 10 10, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, it's a gap of 10 10, so we'll take it on the x-axis. So there is a gap of 80 from the origin, so we'll put over here kink. So first we will draw the histogram. As everybody knows, because histogram we did in class 9 also. So first draw histogram. 80 to 90, the number of students, the frequency is 6. So this is 6. Next frequency is 9. This is 9. Next is 16. Next frequency is 13. Histogram bars are attached to each other. Next frequency is 4, and the last frequency is 2. So this is our histogram. Now see how to find out the mod with the help of histogram. What we will see from the upper corner of the highest rectangle. Here we can see the highest rectangle is with the frequency 16. So we will take their upper corners. These are the corners of the highest rectangle. Draw the line segment to meet the opposite corner of the adjacent angle, like this. Similarly, from the another corner. Now, see, we can see both the line segments are intersecting at point. Let this point is P. Now, from this point P, we will draw a perpendicular PM on x-axis. You have to draw this with the help of scale. Now, let this point is M. So PM is perpendicular on x-axis. So we can see this is the mod. So we can see this is 107. We have to mention it over here. This we have to mention. We have to circle this point and mention this is 107. This is our mod. So mod of the given question is 107. You remember, you have to circle this point. So in this way, Graphically, we can find out the mod with the help of histogram. So, based on the same concept, you will practice your exercise 26C. Thank you.